What was the mirror formula? Tell me.
1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F.
Very good. And what was the magnification?
Magnification.
Magnification into height of the image is equal to height of the objects.
Magnification is equal to height of
Height of the image by height of the object.
object, which we normally represent it as h dash by h. H dash is the height of the image, h is the height of the object. This is where we are. We had seen this formula of magnification, which is h dash by h. Okay, and then this magnification also has a relation with image distance and object distance. This is the formula minus of v by u. So you have to remember that also. Same magnification m can also be written as minus of v by u. So all of you should remember these formulas by heart. We had talked a little bit about this in the previous class. This question. Okay. Go through that and tell me.
Real and inverted.
A negative sign in the magnification value indicates that the image is negative. Yes, that's correct. Basically inverted, but we know that all inverted images are real, so real and inverted together. Question number 2 here. All of you read through this question and try to understand. Don't look at that what is given. For now, try to do it on your own. A 6 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror. So very nicely they gave you it is a concave mirror. The moment you see that, go to your note and draw the concave mirror. So correct. This is a concave mirror.
That's convex, sir.
Is it? Only Kavya is awake. The rest of the people are sleeping. You have to draw concave mirror. Stay alert, all of you. So Mn is the aperture. Pole will be somewhere over here. Let's hold on for focus and center of curvature. Let's read out the question. Okay. So 6 centimeter tall. So what is 6 given over here? What is this 6, guys?
The height of the image.
Is it the image or the object?
Sorry, sir. Object.
6 centimeter tall object. So this is your object height. What is how do we represent which variable for object height?
H.
Yes, it is h. So given h is given 6 centimeter tall. All right. is placed perpendicular to the principal axis on a concave mirror of focal length 30 centimeter. So what is this 30? Of course, the focal length. How should I write it over here?
F is equal to 30 centimeters.
Is that correct? All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Anyone wants to add something to this? There is a small mistake.
Sir, focal length is minus 30, sir.
Minus 30 will come, sir.
Yes, it will be minus 30 because focal length will be on the left hand side. So it is negative. Focal length for a concave mirror is negative. So even though it's written as 30 over here, you would write it as minus 30. If you don't do that, your whole problem will be wrong. So be careful about this. You have to write that minus 30. It will not be given in the question most of the times. Okay. Fine. So we know H and we know F. The distance of the object from the mirror is 45 centimeters. So what is this 45, guys?
The U, sir, distance between the object and
Yes,
the
we just call it as the object distance. So object distance is U. U is 45. Correct?
Sir, minus 45, sir.
Yes, of course. It is minus 45. Remember,
Minus 45.
okay. Be careful with U and F always. Like I said, U will be always negative 99% of the times. So unless something is given in the question, you can blindly write U as negative. It will be on the left side of the mirror only. And this is how you should draw the figure. Unless in the question itself, they have drawn the figure other way around. Okay. Yeah. So this is your U negative. And since it is a concave mirror, F is also negative. So these are the things which we know. From this, what all can you find out?
V, sir.
We can find out V. How do we do that? What we have to use? We have to use the
mirror formula.
Mirror formula.
Mirror formula. Very good, because we know F and U. So only thing missing is V. So we can find out very easily. Now, once you know V, what else can we find out? What else is there to find out in this? What is missing?
Once
Yeah, go ahead.
the height of the image, sir, we can
Yes.
find using the magnification formula.
Yes, of course. We can find the height of the image. Which formula do we have to use for finding the height? H dash.
H dash
Yeah, magnification is equal to
H
minus
dash
V
by
by
H.
U. H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. M is equal to this formula also, no? So we can combine them together, both the formulas, and write like this: H dash by H will be equal to minus V by U. Everyone understands where this is coming from? Both these formulas are magnification. So this is also magnification, this is also magnification. So I can write H dash by H is equal to minus V by U. So let me write that also here. Okay. Everyone is okay with this formula now? H dash by H is equal to minus V by U.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this, like from the mirror formula, you would have found out the V value. U is already given, H is also given. So only thing missing is H dash. So that also we can easily find out. So I have explained the logic to you, but this is the first question, so I will solve it. But still, we have not completely read the problem, so let's complete it. So this is up to what all this information was given. So remember that we can all the things we can find out. We can find B, we can find H dash, we can find magnification, whatever they throw at us, we can find everything. So let's see what is it that they are actually asking us to do. So use a mirror formula to determine the position, nature, and size of the image formed. That means basically they're asking us everything. Position means they're asking V. Nature means if it is real or inverted or virtual and erect, which one it is. And then size means they're asking to find the H dash. Okay. Also, they're asking you to draw the labeled diagram to show the image formation in this case. So you have to draw the labeled ray diagram also. Yeah, so let's start it phase wise properly with steps. Yeah. So what is the formula? 1 by V. What is the formula, guys?
1 by
1
V.
by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F.
1 by F.
1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So basically in this formula, we need to find out the V value. So what I would do, I will keep this V this side. I will send 1 by U to the other side. I will write 1 by F minus 1 by U. And then I will also do the, if you want to do it like me, I would like to do like this. See, U minus F by U into F. Do you people understand how
No,
this is
sir.
coming? U into 1, F into 1 will become U minus F. And then, of course, denominator will be F into U. So this is the value of 1 by V. So what will be V value? It will be U. It will be the reciprocal of this thing, no? U into F by U minus F. So if you can do this calculation, do it like this. Otherwise, don't need to make things complicated. You can just write 1 by V is equal to, in place of 1 by F, what we can do? 1 by minus 30 minus 1 by U, which is 1 by minus 45. But don't forget to put the signs properly in this kind. So your focal length was 30 minus 30 and U was minus 45. So 1 by F minus 1 by U. Everyone understands how this is coming?
Yes, sir.
So whichever way is more comfortable, you do either this way or this way. So this, if you do, you'll directly be able to get this formula and then put the values of and find the value of V. Anyway, you'll get the same answer. So simplify it, guys. Do this quickly. Tell me what is the value of V. See, I'm writing so many steps, but this is just a simple fraction, addition, subtraction. Do it however you like, okay? Whichever, I mean, you can skip a few steps. You don't need to write all the steps, so many steps like this, okay? 10 standard, but just to make sure that everybody gets it, I'm writing it. But if you understand this, you can skip a few steps and write your answer directly, okay?
Sir, minus 1 by 90.
Yes, so 1 by V, remember it is 1 by V, not V. 1 by V is minus 1 by 90. So what is the V value then?
V will be minus 90, sir.
Minus 90 centimeter. That means the image is formed 90 centimeters to the left of the mirror. You would have got the same thing by putting all that value over here. U was minus 45. F was minus 30. And U again minus 45 minus 30. Which is how much? This is minus 45 plus 30. So this becomes minus 15. 3 times it becomes minus 96. Okay. So whichever way you feel, you can use. Everybody understands? I have done this with 2 methods. Basically, they are not different methods. They're just different ways to do same calculation. So all of you understand? Confirm, guys.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Okay, so this is what we found out, the position of the image. Okay, just by looking at this, can you tell me about the nature of the image?
It's real and inverted, sir.
It is real and inverted. Why are you saying it is real and inverted?
Because it is having the negative sign.
Okay, but this negative sign, what does it actually represent?
It is in the front of the mirror.
Yes, it is to the left of the mirror. And we have seen by experience that all the real and inverted images are made to the left of the mirror, not in front of the mirror, basically, not behind the mirror. So if it was a virtual image, our V value should have been positive. For virtual and erect images, by experience, we know that they are formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means it is to the right of the mirror. That's why if it was a virtual image, the V value would have been positive. But since it is negative, we can conclude that it is to the left of the mirror. Now, where will be the approximate position? Focal length from here to here, it is 30. So this will be another 30. 30 plus 30 will be 60. So you can see that the image will be 90 centimeters to the left. So you can draw the figure like this over here.
Beyond C.
Beyond C, of course. Okay. And where is the object? Where is the object? It's 45 centimeter to the left. Where?
Between C and F.
Yes, it will be between C and F. It will be something like this, A and B over here. So if you want to draw the ray diagram for this, what we will have to do, it will be the same ray diagram. There's no difference. So you just put in between C and F and throw some parallel light from here. Parallel light will go. Where will it come from?
Pass through the focus.
It comes through the focus, and there will be some light which will be in the direction of center of curvature, which will cross something like this. So luckily, this diagram came perfectly where I wanted it. So as you can see,
Beyond C, sir.
beyond C, images come. This is your A dash and B dash. So the image is real and inverted. It is 90 centimeters to the left. But anyway, we have not still found out the H dash and magnification. So let's do that. Find the
Sir, I didn't understand like how it is beyond C.
We found this V is 90 centimeters, right? To the left. So we know that focal length is given 30. So from here to here, it is 30 centimeter. And you know that center of curvature is just double the distance. So from pole to center of curvature will be 60 centimeter, correct? So 90 would be somewhere beyond C only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can mark it also. You can show that this is 90 centimeter. Label diagram means you have to label all the distances, okay? So show that. Okay, what else did they ask us to find? The position, nature, and size of the image, right? We want h dash also. So let's find h dash. For h dash, we need the magnification. So magnification, we know we can use the minus v by u formula, right? We can't use h dash by h formula because this is what is missing, which we have to find out. So we can't use this formula. Everyone is okay with that? So either use this or you can directly write h dash by h, or magnification is equal to this is equal to minus v by u. So what will be h dash? It will be minus v by u into h. Tell me, is it making sense? I left the h dash over here and I moved this to the right hand side. Okay. So what is h dash now? Quickly tell me. What was v? We found out it minus 90, right? And u was minus 45. Be careful with the sign. Always mention all the sign. H. What is h?
6.
6. Should it be plus or minus 6? This also you should be careful. Is it plus 6 or minus 6?
Plus 6.
It is above the principal axis, right? So that's why it is plus only. No need to put minus for that. Above the principal axis means it will be positive. The below one, it will be negative, but this you will get automatically. You don't have to put it for, because we are finding h dash. So you will see that it will be negative. It should be negative. Let's see whether we get negative or not. So this minus and this minus will become plus, and this minus will be odd one out. So it will go, overall it will become negative 90 by 45 into 6. So 45 twos is 90 and 6 twos will become minus 12 centimeters. Absolutely. So we have found h dash is equal to minus 12 centimeter. Does it mean it is less than 0 centimeter at all? No. Minus is only for showing that it is inverted. That's all. It's a symbol. Does it mean it is less than 0? It is still 12 centimeter tall. Only thing it is inverted. So you will finally write the conclusion. Image is 90 centimeter to the left or in front of the mirror, whichever you want, right? It is magnified, real, and inverted image. Image is 12 centimeter tall. Let's see. So don't forget to mention the pole, focus, center of curvature, A and B for your object, A dash, B dash for the image, MN for the aperture, and this E and D, they are just the points where the light, E is the point of incidence for this one, and D is the point of incidence for this light. So you can label like that. This is the labeling which you have to do. Okay.